So good morning, all of you once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. About finite verbs and non-finite verbs in the previous class. We started with the finite verbs, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we discussed or we were discussing about the tense rules, right? We started discussing tense rules, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are called finite verbs in English grammar. Now let me ask this question to Rahul Gar. Rahul Gar, where is Rahul Gar? Rahul Gar, are you present? Yes, Rahul Gar, please unmute your audio, Rahul Gar. Left. Rahul Gar, please unmute your audio.
Rahul Gar, you are not hearing. Rahul Gar, unmute your audio. Unmute your audio, Rahul Gar.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. It is still not unmuted. Okay.
Rahul Gar,
I'm not hearing.
can you define or can you tell me what are finite verbs? Rahul Gar, we discussed the finite verbs. We started
Ma'am,
with
it's
the
not
tense
clear.
rules in the previous class.
Ma'am,
Can't
it's
hear
not
me?
clear. Ma'am, it's not clear. Can't-
Shankari, am I clear? Is my audio clear, Shankari?
And the audio is clear.
Clear. Okay, thank you. So now, Rahul Gar, for everyone it is clear. I think it's your network problem. Okay. Ashmit?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashmit, can you define a finite verb? Can you tell me
And
what are
finite
called
verb help.
finite verbs?
Finite verbs help us to recognize the tense form of the sentence.
Okay, it helps us to recognize it is a complete verb, right?
Verb.
Finite
Yes.
verbs are complete verbs. Let me repeat. Finite verbs are
Complete verbs.
By looking at the finite verbs, it is easy for us to recognize the tense, right? And we were discussing about the tense rules. We started doing the tense rules. Okay, let us do it once again. Okay, and Leah Sabu, and Leah, am I clear? And Leah, is my audio clear? No,
And Leah's video is.
and Leah, is there any problem? Krishna Veni, can you tell me the rule of simple present tense with one example? Rule of simple present tense.
Plus
Louder.
subject plus
Subject plus.
present form of a verb plus object.
Okay, one example. Simple present example.
He goes to school.
He goes to school. Can you pick out the finite verb from that sentence?
He goes.
Goes. Very good. Simple present tense. Goes. Finite verb. Okay. Now, Viju, please unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Present continuous. Rule with one example. Gino.
Ma'am, subject plus will or shall plus.
No. Present continuous.
Subject plus.
Can you form a sentence in present continuous? Can you give me an example of present continuous tense?
Ma'am, he is right. He is still right. He is writing.
He is writing a letter. Okay. Now, please write this in a paper and tell me the rule. She is writing a poem or letter. She is writing a poem. Now tell me the rule. Look at the example and tell me the rule.
Ma'am, one more time. She
is, you only said, right? She is writing a letter.
Ma'am, present continuous.
Present continuous. So tell me the rule. Look at the example and tell me.
Subject
Your
plus.
answer is correct.
Subject plus is.
Only is?
No. Is, are, and.
If we start with I, what comes?
Am.
Am. Now you frame the rule.
Subject plus is or am plus are. Or are.
Once again.
Subject plus is or are or am.
Is, am, are. Okay, am, is, are plus.
Plus
So now she is. Up to that part, it is clear. She is writing a letter. What is this writing?
am ing.
ING means which form? Which verb form? Present form, past form, past
Present form.
participle form,
Present
participle
form.
form. Which form is it?
Present form.
Louder?
Present form.
Is it present form? So she said she goes to school, right? So goes is the present form, she said. Or go can be a present form. So what is ING form?
Present continuous. Present.
Present continuous, okay. But verb form? There are 4 forms we have learned, right? A verb has 4 forms. Present form, past form, past participle form, present participle form. So
Present
ING
participle.
forms are coming under which form?
Present participle.
Correct. ING forms are present participle forms. Can you give me some examples for present participle forms of verb? Do you know?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me. A few more examples. Present participle example. You said writing. Another example?
He is dancing well.
Okay. So which one is used as a present participle form of a verb in it?
Dancing.
Dancing. One more example?
He is drinking a cup of tea.
Drinking. Okay. So present participle form of drink.
Drinking. Drinking.
Drinking. What is the present participle form of swim?
Swimming.
What is the present participle form of walk?
Walking.
Okay, now you frame the rule for present continuous. You said subject plus am is are plus
Present participle.
present participle form of a
Form of
verb.
a verb.
Complete it. Present
Form of a
participle
verb.
form of a verb plus
Plus object.
object. So repeat it once again. You repeat
Subject.
it.
Subject plus am is are.
am is are.
Present participle of the verb.
Okay, plus present participle form of a verb plus
Object.
object. Example,
He is walking.
he is walking.
Walking
Okay,
on the
now
road.
you tell me which is the finite form of a verb, or which part of the sentence is used as finite form of a verb. She is writing a letter, you said, right? She is writing a letter, you said. Now you tell me.
He is writing.
He is writing. Clear? Clear? She is writing a letter. Is writing is the form called finite form here. It is a complete verb from which we are able to recognize the tense of a sentence. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear, Chino? Okay,
Yes.
now, Evelyn, present perfect. Evelyn, please, okay, unmuted. Evelyn, your video is stuck. Evelyn? Okay. Michelle, please unmute your audio.
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
tell me. Present perfect rule. With one
Subject
example.
plus, subject plus,
Okay.
has or have plus,
Okay.
past participle form of the verb plus
Very
object.
good. Past participle form of a verb plus.
Object.
Can you give me an example?
He has written a letter.
He has written a letter. Finite form.
Has written.
Has written. By looking at has written, the finite verb or the complete verb, will be able to recognize the tense of that particular sentence. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, Adnan, unmute your audio. Tell me the rule of present perfect continuous with one example.
And subject plus
Okay. If
has
you're
or
not getting the rule, just remember the sentence. Just remember the sentence and frame your rule.
and has or had
Very good. Has or have plus
plus present participle of a verb.
Something is missing. I said present perfect continuous. Something is missing in it. Once again,
Subject plus
subject plus
past
present
Has-
present perfect continuous.
has or had plus
Once again,
has or had
has or
has or had
has or present tense.
Has
Present
or have.
tense. Has is singular. What is the plural for has? She has a car. They instead of has, they plural. So instead of has, what will you use there?
they are
Are is are correct?
they have
They
have
have. They have a car. Okay, tell me now.
plus be plus
Start from the beginning. Present perfect continuous rule.
subject plus has or have
Subject
plus
plus
has or have
has or have plus
be plus
perfect continuous. Perfect continuous.
be plus
Once again,
be
B. You tell me a sentence now. A
she
sentence in present perfect continuous. Can you frame a sentence in present perfect continuous?
Yes.
she is go
Once again. Okay, Michelle said he has written a letter. Can you change this sentence into present perfect continuous? He has written a letter. Change the same sentence into present perfect continuous. Adnan,
he they has right
he has
Ma'am.
written a letter.
he has been writing a letter
Adnan said this answer.
he has been writing a letter
He has been writing a letter. Now tell me the rule. You said your answer is correct. He has been writing a letter. Okay, now you tell me the rule.
subject plus has
Yes.
or have plus
Excellent.
been plus
Been plus. Very good. Been plus.
present participle
Correct. You are correct. Absolutely correct. Present
uh,
participle form of a verb plus
form of a verb plus object
object. And tell me the finite verb used in the sentence.
Yes.
he is writing
Someone is giving answer. Someone is supporting. Someone is repeating the answer. Please don't say. All others except Adnan, please mute your audio.
he is writing
No, you
No,
said
he has been.
writing
He has
a
been
letter.
writing.
So tell me the finite verb used. Do you have a paper and a pen?
Yes, ma'am.
You are writing all the whatever I am actually discussing here. Are you noting it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you look at the paper and tell me then.
Has been writing.
Has been
Writing.
writing. What is has been writing in that sentence? It is the finite verb. It is the has been writing is used as a finite verb. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I very clear?
Yes.
So now you tell me once again, you tell me the rule of present perfect continuous tense.
Subject plus has or have plus been plus present participle form of a verb plus object.
Sentence?
He had
Again,
he has
you are
been
making mistake. Look at the rule and tell me present perfect
He has been.
continuous. He has been.
He has been writing a letter.
Okay. Now finite verb without the finite verb from that.
Has been writing.
Excellent. Okay, so study the rules. Otherwise, you can't find out or you are not able to identify or you are not able to recognize the finite verbs from that. Okay, you have to remember the rules to frame sentence. Okay, now my question, Gopi Krishna. Simple past.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple past. Tell me the rule and an example.
Subject plus past form of a verb plus object.
Example?
He wrote a poem.
He wrote a poem. Finite verb.
Wrote
Excellent.
a poem.
Okay, Steve. Steve, unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Past continuous.
Subject plus
Okay.
had plus
Past continuous. You can. Can you tell me a sentence in past continuous?
she had a doll.
Present continuous. One of your friends said, I am writing a letter. Okay, how to change this I am writing a letter into a past tense, past continuous tense?
Was writing a letter.
Oh, excellent. So now you tell me the rule now.
Subject plus
Yes.
was or were plus
Very correct.
past participle form of a verb.
So that must be written. That must be written. If it is past participle or form of a verb means it must be written. So what is used there? He was writing a letter. So it is used as an ing form. So what is there? Can you repeat the form once again?
Subject plus was or were plus
Oh.
present participle
Correct.
of a
Present
verb
participle
plus
form of a verb. ing forms are called present participle form of a verb plus
object.
object. And tell me the finite verb used in that particular sentence.
He was writing letter.
That is a sentence. Finite verb.
Writing.
Only
Was
writing.
writing.
By looking at writing, I am confused whether it is present tense, past tense, or future tense.
Was writing.
Was writing. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. Thomas Chaco. Thomas Chaco.
Yes, ma'am.
Past perfect. Rule and the sentence.
Ma'am, subject plus
Yes.
had plus
Correct.
past participle form of a verb plus object.
Correct. Object. Okay. Sentence.
He had writing a letter.
He had writing a letter.
Written.
Louder.
Written a letter.
Written a letter. So tell me the finite verb.
Had written.
Had written. Very good. So now, Alina Varghese. Alina.
Yes,
Now, past perfect continuous.
Subject plus
Okay.
had plus been plus
Correct.
past participle form of a verb plus object.
Very correct. Past participle form of an object. Huh? Past perfect continuous. Can you correct once again?
Subject plus
Yes.
had plus
Okay.
been
My
plus
question is past perfect continuous. Subject plus.
had plus
Okay.
been plus
Okay.
present participle form of a verb
Louder.
plus
Present participle form of a verb plus
object.
object. Tell me one example.
He had been writing a letter.
He had been writing a letter. Finite verb.
Had been writing.
Had been writing. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now Krishnaveni. Krishnaveni. Simple future.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple future.
Subject.
Rule and one sentence, please. Simple future. Krishnaveni, am I audible to you?
Form of a.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Simple
ma'am.
future. Rule
Su-
and one sentence, please. Tell me one sentence first.
Will or base form of a verb plus object.
Tell me. Correct. Tell me a sentence.
He will drink.
No,
He
your
will
voice is
water.
not clear. Can you repeat it once again? The rule plus the example.
Yes, ma'am. Subject plus
Subject plus
base form subject.
will or shall plus base form of
Will
a verb
or
plus
shall plus object.
okay. Now sentence.
He will drink some water.
He will drink some water. Finite verb.
Will drink.
No, it's not clear. Finite verb.
Will drink.
Okay, will drink. Very correct, Krishnaveni. Now, Shankari, please unmute your audio, Shankari.
Yes, ma'am.
Future continuous.
Subject plus
Okay, subject plus
will or shall plus
will or shall plus
have plus
future continuous. I have told you 100 times. After a modal auxiliary verb, we must use the base form of a verb. Okay, will cook, will come, will go. We have to use the base form of a verb. So how can you frame that sentence then in that case? So tell me the rule. Remember, after once a modal auxiliary is used, soon after the modal auxiliary verb, we have to use the base form of a verb. Okay, now future continuous. Remember this and please tell me the future continuous rule. Shankari.
subject plus
Yes.
will or shall plus
Okay.
be plus
Correct. Absolutely correct. B plus.
present form of a verb plus
Present form means goes is a present form. Go is a present form.
present participle form of a verb plus
Correct.
object.
Present participle form of a verb plus.
Object.
Give me a sentence.
He will be
Yes.
writing a letter.
Very good. Finite verb used there.
Will be writing.
Very good. Okay, next question. Varada. Varada, please unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Future perfect.
Ma'am, subject plus
Yes.
will or shall plus
Yes.
had plus
Will or shall and had, I have told you again, you can use only
Have.
the base form of a verb after
Ha-
the
have.
modal auxiliary.
Ma'am, have plus
Yes.
past participle.
Yes.
Past participle
Past
form of the
participle or present participle, Varada.
past participle.
So
past.
repeat the rule once again.
Subject plus
Yes.
will or shall plus
Correct.
had have plus
Correct.
past participle form of a verb plus object.
So a sentence.
He will have
He will have. He will have. Complete it. Complete that sentence. He will have. Varada, are you
yes,
there?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you tell me. He will have.
Sang.
Sing, sang. What is the third form?
Sung.
Sung. Okay. Now complete it.
He will have sung a song.
Correct. You are absolutely correct. And tell me the finite verb.
Will have sung.
Correct. Very good. Now, Tia Jojo. Tia, you are a new admission, right? So let me ask this question to Ellen Joy. Ellen, unmute your audio. Okay,
Yes,
then.
ma'am.
Ellen, the last one. The last one, future perfect continuous rule with one example.
Subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus
present participle form of the verb plus object.
Sentence.
He will have been writing a letter.
He will have been writing a letter. Now finite verb.
Will have been writing.
Will have been writing. So the finite verbs and the rules are very clear for you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt
ma'am.
regarding this? Rules
No,
and
ma'am.
sentences and finite verb?
No, ma'am.
Well, let me
No,
share the
no,
screen
ma'am.
for you. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
There is a definition for finite verb. Okay, look at the board. There is a definition for finite verb. A finite verb, sometimes called a main verb, is a verb that has a subject. Remember, a finite verb, it is sometimes called as a main verb. It has a subject. Okay, it has a subject. Remember this point. This means that it can be the main verb in a sentence. Always remember, this is very important point. What is called a finite verb? You have told me a finite verb is a complete verb. It has a subject. That is the most important point. A finite verb has a subject. This means that it can be the main verb in a sentence. And it shows tense. Once a finite verb is given, it is easy for us to recognize whether the sentence is given in past tense, present tense, or future tense. Whether the subject is singular or plural. Okay? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the definition for a finite verb? A finite verbs are also known as a complete verb. Why it is complete? Why it is called a main verb? Because it has a subject. It can be the main verb in a sentence. If it has a subject, this means that it can be the main verb in a sentence. The most important point, a finite verb shows tense. The most important point, by looking at the finite verb only, you said, ma'am, the sentence is given in future tense, ma'am. The sentence is given in past tense. The sentence is in future continuous tense. By looking at the finite verb, it is easy for us to recognize the tense of the sentence, whether it is given in past, present, future. Look at the example. I live in Germany. I live in Germany. Stephen, tell me the subject. Stephen, look at the sentence and tell me the subject. I is the subject. What is the verb? My question is to Abhinav. Find out the verb. Abhinav?
Ma'am,
Tell me the verb used in the sentence.
ma'am, it is the action verb.
Action word. Okay, tell me the verb. I live in Germany. Which word is an action word here? Which word is a verb here?
Ma'am, live.
Live. Excellent. Live is the verb. And tell me the tense of this particular
Thank
sentence
you.
by looking at the complete verb. Tell me the tense.
Ma'am, present tense.
I'm asking this question to Abhinav. Abhinav, can you help me? I live in Germany.
Yes, ma'am.
Identify
Ma'am.
the tense of this particular sentence. I live in Germany. Abhinav.
Ma'am, simple present tense.
Correct. Simple present tense because live. Look at
Yes,
live.
ma'am.
I live
Yes, ma'am.
in Germany. Live is the present form of a verb, right? Live is the present form of a verb. So I
Yes,
subject.
ma'am.
Live present form of a verb. By looking at here, live is a complete verb because it shows the tense. Am I clear? I is the subject. Live
Yes,
is
ma'am.
what the subject does. Action word. And live is a finite verb. Am I clear?
Yes.
Am I clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at the sentence. I have given the present tense, past tense and future tense. One example. I write a letter. Simple present. I am writing a letter. Am writing is used as the finite verb, right? Am writing is a finite verb and it is given in present what? It is given in present
Present continuous.
continuous. But Shivanya, I have written a letter. Tense. First,
Ma'am,
I
present
have
perfect.
written a letter.
Present perfect.
I have been writing a letter. Thomas Chaco.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have been writing a letter. Tense. Look at the finite verb and tell me the tense fast.
Ma'am, present perfect continuous.
Correct. Okay. Now, Alana Jinson. Alana Jinson, tell me, I wrote a letter. Tense.
Simple past.
Okay. I was writing a letter. Adnan. Tense. Adnan,
Ma'am,
tell me the tense of I was writing a letter.
ma'am, not hearing clear.
I wrote
Ma'am.
a letter. Simple past. I was writing a letter. Tell me the tense.
I was writing a letter.
Yes.
Present tense.
I
Yeah,
was
past.
writing a letter. Adnan, you have to study the rules.
Ma'am,
You have to
past
study. You
continuous.
have to today itself sit home and study the rules. Okay. Next
Ma'am,
class,
past
I'll be
continuous.
asking you the question. I'm going to call you today by evening. So you have
Ma'am.
to respond all the rules. Study well. Okay.
Ma'am, past
Next question,
continuous.
Anlia Sabu. I was writing a letter. I was writing a letter. Tense. Anlia, I think you have some network issues. Alan Joy. I was writing a letter. Tense.
Then past continuous.
Correct. Then Alna John. Alna John, I had written a letter.
Past perfect.
Correct. I had been writing a letter. Tia Tojo, you're not listening here. You're talking with your family member. Please stop it and listen. What is the tense? The tense form of the sentence, I had been writing a letter. Tia. I had been writing a letter. Tia,
Hello, ma'am.
please come back. Turn on your video. Yes.
Ma'am.
Tia?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Are you there, Tia?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer. I had been writing a letter. Can you tell me the tense form?
Past tense.
Which past tense? Okay, I agree. It is in past. Which form of the past tense? I had been writing a letter. Had been writing a letter. Look at the finite verb had been writing. And tell me the tense. No way, she has gone. I'll call you today, Tia. No other way. Steve, I had been writing a letter. Tense.
Past perfect continuous.
Okay. I will write a letter. Evelyn. Evelyn, I will write a letter. Yes.
Ma'am, it's not clear.
It's not clear. Even your voice is also breaking. Tell me, I will write a letter. Can you tell me the tense form? No, she has some network issues. I know that. So I'm not disturbing her. Krishnaveni, I will write a letter.
And simple future.
Okay, simple future. Alina Verghese, I will be writing a letter.
Future continuous.
Correct. Very good, my dear. Very good. Shivanya, I will have written a letter. Shivanya, I will have written a letter. Molly, unmute your audio. Shivanya, please unmute your audio.
And future perfect.
Future perfect. I will have been writing a letter. Now, Tia, are you there, Tia? She has gone. And Leah Sabu, and Leah, I request you to turn on your video and respond. And Leah Sabu, I will have been writing a letter. And Leah, once again, please.
Yes, ma'am.
I will have been writing a letter. Tense. again how
Future
we do it.
perfect continuous.
Correct. Future perfect continuous. Thank you. And this is time to wind up our class. All of you study the rules. Tia, Tojo, it's for you. I'm telling again. Next class, you need to answer. Today evening, I'll call you again. I'll call you and I'll ask the questions. So please study the rules thoroughly. Without studying the rules, you are not able to answer any of my questions. Am I clear? If not studied, finite verbs will be difficult for you to identify. So study, all of you please study the tense rules. I think, I hope that almost all have done it well. Okay, so thank you so much, my dear children.
Thank
We'll
you,
meet in
ma'am.
next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.